The psychology of pleasing a woman in bed. When it comes to sexual intimacy, it's not just about physical pleasure. There's a psychological aspect to it as well. Understanding the psychological factors that contribute to a woman's enjoyment of sex can help you please her in bed. Here are some key things to keep in mind. 1. Communication. Good communication is key to a satisfying sexual experience for both partners. Encourage your partner to communicate with you about what feels good and what doesn't. This will help you understand her needs and preferences, which will ultimately lead to a more pleasurable experience for both of you. 2. Trust. Trust is crucial in any relationship, but it is especially important in a sexual relationship. A woman needs to feel that she can trust her partner to be considerate and attentive to her needs. When a woman feels that she can trust her partner, she is more likely to relax and enjoy herself in bed. 3. Emotional connection. A strong emotional connection can enhance a woman's sexual experience. When a woman feels emotionally connected to her partner, she is more likely to feel confident and relaxed in bed. It's important to cultivate a strong emotional connection with your partner to make sure she is comfortable and satisfied during sexual activity. 4. Confidence. Confidence is attractive and can contribute to a woman's sexual pleasure. When a woman feels that her partner is confident and secure in their own skin, it can make her feel more comfortable and confident in bed. 5. Sensitivity. Sensitivity is important in bed. Pay attention to your partner's body language and listen to her verbal cues. Paying attention to her needs and responding to her desires shows that you are considerate and attentive, which can greatly enhance her sexual experience. 6. Experimentation. Experimenting in the bedroom can be exciting and can lead to new levels of pleasure. However, it's important to make sure that both partners are comfortable with any new experiences. It's also important to communicate openly about any boundaries or limitations. In conclusion, pleasing a woman in bed is about more than just physical pleasure. Understanding the psychological factors that contribute to a woman's enjoyment of sex can help you create a satisfying and fulfilling sexual experience for both partners. Good communication, trust, emotional connection, confidence, sensitivity, and experimentation are all key to pleasing a woman in bed.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more from Psychology Bits.